Aloha everyone, it's Emmy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to do another Charles & Kit unboxing. So as I said on my first unboxing for Charles & Kit, that Charles & Kit is very affordable and nice brand. So this is the big box that I got. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. I have also a discount code with them, so use Emmy Murphy, EMEMURPHY, and get 10% discount on all your online purchase. So yeah, the first one on the list is this one right here. Let me look at it. First one right here, it's what is it? Just black. Go. Oh, this is nice. There's brown chain over here. And a brown handle. Oops. Go. And there's also the Charles & Kit logo. There's also comes with the dust bag and a strap. And the second, nice because this brown handle matches with the little handle right here. There you go. Yeah, it's very nice. And it's kind of like a boxy bag, but it's not. It's a little durable. Go. You can do a body bag, a top handle, and a shoulder bag. There you go. The second one is this one right here. The color is green. Wow. This is, it's kind of like a furry green. It's very nice. Go. And what is this? Oh, there's also like a little chain which it says Charles & Kit. Wow. Also comes with a dust bag and a top. It's also a top handle, and it all comes with a strap. The strap is very nice because it's so thin. Go. So you can wear it. You can wear a top handle, shoulder bag, or a belly bag. Go. They are very nice. It's so cute because it's like a teddy bear. It's like a furry. It's really soft. I will list down the names of this bag after this unboxing. The next one is this one right here. The color is pink. Wow, this is nice. I think this is pink. Yeah, this is pink. There you go. They're very, very nice. also comes with the strap. Wow, this is nice. Here's inside of it, and magnetic closure. Also, this one you can do it a top handle, a shoulder bag, or a body bag. There you go. They're very nice. Go. It's kind of like a boat, actually. Looks like a boat, but the color is very pinky. It's nice. This one right here, the color is dark brown. There you go. Also the Charleston Keep over here on the back. It's nice. Wow, this is nice. Look at these details. Yeah. And I think you can, there's also a strap to it. Oh, this one is different dash bag. Yeah, it's different than the other dash bags. Oh, I think this is just like, you can just do this one as a shoulder bag. Or just, oh, actually, yeah, just this is just a shoulder bag. So you can do a top handle and a shoulder bag like this. There you go. Yeah, this is very nice. It's like this only. This is like this only. Wow, this is nice actually. I like it. Okay, this is so far my favorite. It's nice. Next one is this one right here. The color is orange. Go, it's very nice. Also comes with a dash bag. And a strap. This is different because this is not a hook. I think you just have to I don't know how you're going to put this on there. Oh, you just have to like put this one inside the strap. You have to just put it in front, I mean inside. There we go. Wow, this is so nice. There's actually 2 compartments inside. 3 actually there is, and there's also a zip over here. Oops. Ah, this comes with the 2 bandanas, so you can switch this bandana to this one right here. Wow, they're really nice. So you can do shoulder bag, body bag, and a top handle. Yeah, they're very nice, and you can switch up the bandanas. These two right here. So the first one is ta-da! They're very cute. So this one is a storage for all my patients. I'm kidding. But yeah, this is, yeah, they're very cute. And the next one I'm going to show you is the bigger version of these. Yeah, they're so cute. So you can do shoulder bag, body bag, and a top handle where you can store all your patients, which is I don't have, so this is perfect for me. I'm kidding. So the next one, the bigger version of these, is this one right here. It's the same, it's just that this is bigger. Go. This is the only big bag that I had because I don't like big bag, but so since I got the smaller version, so I might as well get this. So there you go. So you can do this, we're gonna do like that, like a top handle, a shoulder bag, two shoulder bag actually. Like you can do like this, or just like that, or a body bag. And you can also, the reason why I bought this a bigger and smaller version is this one, you can hang them together. Like you can attach them together and make us like this. Yeah, just a statement bag. Yeah, this is smaller version, the bigger version. This one right here, the color is white. Wait. Oh yeah. There's the Charleston kit over here. Oh, I think this is the transparent. And there's a guitar stop. This is so nice. This is so simple yet it's elegant. Wait. Yeah, this strap is really nice because it's like a guitar strap. So this is not top handle, so you can top handle it, but you can definitely do a body bag and a shoulder bag. And it's also a transparent. Last three remaining bags. Okay, this is also, the color is white also. The Charleston keep tag. This is just like a box bag. Oh, Oh, this is nice. It's very casual. Yes, it's the top handle too, and it also comes with a strap. Also, this one you can do shoulder bag, body bag, and a top handle. The color is nude. I don't even remember ordering this. Oh, there's also a guitar strap to it, which is nice. Sorry, my husband is on the background right now. He's playing video games, that's why if you can hear him, he's talking. Yeah, oh, this is nice. Look, oh wait. There you go. You can do what is this? Shoulder bag. I don't know if you can do a body bag for this, but maybe you can. Just like a smaller strap. Or actually you can adjust, so you can actually do a body bag to it, and of course the top handle. The last bag is this one. The color is slate blue. Wow, this is nice. There's like a what is it? A chain to the handle. Oops. And a bow. There's also one compartment inside. All comes with the dash bag. Wow, it's nice too because the handle is thin. Okay, you can do closer look, so you can do shoulder bag, top handle bag, and a body bag. All for today, you guys. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to use my discount code at charlesenkit.com, EMEEMURPHY, to get 10% on online purchase. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time on my next vlog. Peace out. Bye.